Yo, today I've created a track in the style of Odd Mob within 5 minutes, and I've only used our new sample collection called Club Ammo. Let's go.
So good, so dangerous. Temptation on repeat. So good, so dangerous. So good, so dangerous. Temptation on repeat. So good, so dangerous.
So these are a very few audio tracks, as you can see. So it's actually a few bass sounds like this. And this. Typical Odd Mob kind of bass steps. And then we have this FM kind of sound. So it really speaks for itself. It is this for the further post-processing. It's just a wider, which is free by the way, some delay, and I cut it some low frequencies. And here I did the same thing actually. So it's no rocket science, super simple. And for the bass, I have used this bass loop. And I only played around here with the filter, which is opening here and there. And then on the B part, it's completely open. And for the drums, I have used this full groove. And what I did, I speeded it up to 135 BPM, which is a little bit more in his kind of range in the BPM, and I have used the repitch mode on the warp because you can really hear the stretch, what we don't want. I set it to repitch mode. You can also set it on beat mode, but not on complex because you can really hear the stretch in the sound right now, especially in the background noises, so it sounds very bad. But I did some repitch. And then I have this effect. I've played with the spectral resonator a tiny bit because you can really create these robotic kind of effects with this. I don't know why I just put it on. I was just trying to get a weirder sound than the original sound. It was this one. This alarm kind of sound. Then I have the stop loop here in the beginning. Open up the dry and wet here. And then I played with the full groove with the kicks to make it drop a little bit more cool. And then I have this vocal from the back, of course.
So dangerous. Temptation on repeat. So.
Works perfectly with this drums and this bass.
So good, so dangerous. Temptation on.
And then I have this small drum fill here with a really long reverb tail, which I really like. So I have put that here in as well. Then I have this effect.
Temptation on repeat.
That's basically it. The only thing is that I have this right here on the B part to create way more energy. If I put this out, you can really hear that there's something missing then. And I have this alarm again here. I literally created this within 5 minutes, and that's because this pack is really good and really high quality. So it's just literally drag and drop, and then you instantly create this kind of tracks.
So good, so dangerous.
If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and I see you on the next video. Bye bye.
So good, so dangerous.